Opel once symbolized affordable mobility for Germany. Today, it survives under a global auto giant. This is the story of how leadership mistakes nearly destroyed Opel and how a takeover saved it. Founded in the 19th century, Opel became Germany's people's car brand, reliable, practical, mass market. By the mid-20th century, Opel was everywhere. Under General Motors, Opel lost strategic freedom. Platforms were shared globally. Decisions came from Detroit. Local innovations slowed. While rivals adapted faster, Opel drifted, trapped between budget and premium segments. By the 2000s, Opel recorded losses almost every year. Factories ran below capacity. Brand identity weakened. Competition from Volkswagen, Toyota, and Hyundai intensified. In 2017, GM sold Opel to PSA Group. For the first time, Opel had local leadership, platform sharing done right, cost discipline. Within 2 years, Opel returned to profit. Opel teaches a powerful lesson: strategy without autonomy fails. Leadership clarity matters more than brand history. Turnarounds succeed when identity is restored. Opel didn't need nostalgia, it needed direction. Subscribe for more business case study stories.